Okay, we've got three similar triangles. They're all right triangles. They're created from this one right triangle with a height. Okay, so once we see that this red one is this little guy, this orange one is the medium, okay, and the purple is the large. Okay, and then we have we can actually start doing it. It's really just Pythagorean theorem, but we have a way of finding out each one. So we know that the height is equal to the square root of x times the y. Okay? This is going to be our formula. So height is equal to the square root of x times y. Alright? And so A is equal to x times c times c. Where's c? Oh, c is the x plus y. So A is going to be equal to the square root of x times x plus y. Okay. And then, so I guess I usually put a c there. Let's go ahead and say that this length is c. So I can just go A, B, C. Okay? So in essence, this is just x times c. Okay? And then B is equal to y times c. So the square root of y times x plus y, right? Or in other words, like we said up here, y times c. Okay? And when I do that, what I'm doing is if I look at this, I think of h is equal to the square root of this times this. Okay? It's just, so when I think of this, right? When I think of this h is equal to the square root of this x times this y. This piece times this piece. Okay? Now, if I look at A, if I look at this same thing right here, right? And I'm looking for A now. A is equal to x, if this is x and y, right? A is, and then this is C. A, because A is on the left, A is equal to the square root of x times C. See how they're all on the left? This is in the middle, left. Guess what happens to the right? Okay? On the right side, same thing. So on the right side, I have this same, thing. I got a B, right? And again, I have this right angle, right? And again, I have X and Y. And again, this is C, right? Okay? And in this case, I'm going to move my C a little bit over, just so I can make it a little bit more pronounced. But basically, B is equal to the square root of y times c. Here it was the square root of x times c. Okay? And so, if you're talking about the right side, it's equal to the right times the right, left, and the middle. And so that's kind of the way I like to pronounce it. Now, the way I do it up here, it gets kind of convoluted, right? But it's pretty simple. A is the left. Right? This times that. And B, use it in green, B is equal to the square root of these two. So H, bam, X and Y, right? So X and Y. And then B, Y and C. And then A, X and C. Did that stop? Did I not even? It didn't stop. Is it recording still? Oh, sweet. Okay. Question?
Do I write this out?
I would. Shit. Shoot. Alright. Okay, there you go.